Hey, this is Dave again, and today I want to tell you about this nice little wrist brace from UProtect. I've got carpal tunnel. I had some wrist braces, and using the wrist braces really made the symptoms go away, but the other day I had ear surgery. I don't know if you could tell, but one ear is still bigger than the other. But I had ear surgery, and I've been sitting in the house for 2 weeks. Matter of fact, I've only put on pants for like 2 days in the past, couple of weeks. So I've been working on the website here, been doing a lot on the website, and so my carpal tunnel been flaring up, so it's cool that I got this brace to review. It's a 35% copper nylon, they say, which is copper impregnated nylon and neoprene, which the copper is supposed to help you. I don't know if I believe that or not, but I do know that 14, 15-hour days sitting at the computer, this has really helped me. So it's a pretty simple little device. It's got a couple little plugs here, it's got some copper pads and some Velcro, but you just put it on and wrap it around just like any other wrist brace. And as I sit at the computer, I don't have a very ergonomic system. This is an old treadle sewing machine, and I put my hands here, and the pad really helps me so I don't get that tingling and the feeling from nerve damage. So they're about $9, and I'll put a link on the website for you to pick them up. Very much cheaper than the ones that I got from the doctor's office. So at $9 you can't hardly beat it, so I recommend them. It's also cool because they're ambidextrous. I can take the thing and put it on my other thumb and wrap it around. Then for these big marathon, website check-in sessions, I might end up buying me a second one. This one I got at a reduced cost in order to do a review. So thumbs up on the UProtect wrist brace, and I'm going to get me another one. Thanks.